Mac Mac, did you make a new friend? You made a new friend? Is that your friend? Oh, that is your friend. Hi. Hi, Gussie. Is that your new friend? Yeah?
Have you met Gus before?
Gus isn't very interested. Do you make a new friend? No.
I bet Gus would like to attend the Fairgrounds and Fancy Feast.
Yeah, how come you don't eat?
Spent a fortune on and I don't get to down and bone.
Hello. Go say hi to your new friend. Well, Gus, come over here. Say hi to your new friend. Come here, Gus. No, don't bump the plant. No. Gus is a little older than you, but he's the same size.
Oh no! You got the same problem.
They both fall down. Oh no.
But no, that happens to you, Mackie.
Mackie's just watching. Ooh, a kitty. Hi, Gussie. You were talking a lot before. Hey, be nice. Be nice to Mackie.
You're afraid you're gonna put him on YouTube and everybody's gonna recognize him.
Oh, you're okay. You just met a new friend and he doesn't know you yet, that's all. He's trying to get comfortable, but he looks so afraid.
He's not that way. He's not very comfortable.
Yeah. He just gave him dirty eyes. I know. That your new friend, Gus? Oh, you want to look at the birds? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Gus, make a move. Come on. Say something. Gus, pay attention. No, pay attention to Mac Mac. See? Mac Mac. Mac Mac. Mac Mac. Okay, say bye to Gussie. Bye.